the root cause of disease should be understood, not just the symptoms. Sometimes when we have some symptoms, we just treat them symptomatically and we feel relief. But if your symptoms are happening again and again, then you have to know the cause. Why are these symptoms happening? Because sometimes it can be because of genetic factors. Some people are prone to certain diseases because it is hereditary or carries in the genes. So one has to know if family is suffering or if there are weak genes or something and he is prone to certain kinds of infection. And due to dietary deficiency also, if wrong diet is taken, if the nutrients are um, lacking and if they are not getting absorbed in the body, so you can suffer. Or if you are having too much of processed food and all, alcohol, tobacco, etc., can all affect to develop a chronic inflammation, which is for the long time, and it can turn into disease like cancer and all. So you just cannot ignore and cannot fall sick again and again. You have to go into a root cause. Sometimes due to environmental factors also, like if certain infection due to water and air pollution, like some microbes, parasites, fungi, bacteria are entering in the body and your atmosphere is not clean and every time you fall sick, so there will be chronic inflammation and you will keep falling sick and it will develop something serious inside. So what I'm trying to convey the message that always be aware of that this is not periodically once in a time, but it is developing into some kind of a chronic inflammation and into some serious disease. And sometimes due to lack of sleep, stress also, autoimmune disease happen, your immunity is less. So we all should know our body constitution and our body well. And once if you feel that your body is deviating and going in some other direction and you are falling sick all over again and again, that means it is serious, and get yourself investigations done and find out the root cause of the disease. You don't want to end up having, chronic diseases, autoimmune diseases or cancer, etc. It's always prevention is better than cure. So that's my message. Thank you. Create an awareness. Thanks.